Imagine this, a massive asteroid hurtling through space, its target potentially Earth, and it's not just any asteroid. NASA initially tagged it as a city killer. That's the term scientists use to describe an object capable of leveling an urban area with the force of multiple atomic bombs. The name of this particular threat? Asteroid 2024 YR4. For weeks, astronomical communities and even ordinary stargazers had been on edge. The initial odds of impact, jaw-droppingly closer than anyone liked to admit. But there's good news. NASA has recalculated the numbers, and they've lowered the risk dramatically. From alarming uncertainty, the odds are now 1 in 67. Still worth some attention, but enough for all of us to exhale a collective phew. Discovered late last year, this space rock measures several hundred feet wide, comparable in size to a football field or larger. Fast and volatile, it was zipping through space at more than 20 miles per second. While asteroids of this size aren't uncommon, the concern arises when their trajectory brings them uncomfortably close to our planet. When astronomers noticed YR4's path, it entered the elite, albeit infamous category of potentially hazardous asteroids. What makes these objects particularly dangerous is their potential to cause destruction on a massive scale. Were YR4 to collide with Earth, the result wouldn't just be a bad day for one city. It could disrupt life for millions, triggering fires, earthquakes, or even a small-scale atmospheric disturbance. Thankfully, we've avoided that scenario so far, and the odds just got much better. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, yes, that's a real thing, isn't just sitting around when a threat like this pops up. They immediately began tracking YR4 with a combination of sky surveys, radar systems, and mathematical modeling that's frankly out of this world. At first, the asteroid seemed to have a worrisome trajectory that passed within the range of possible Earth impacts. But as scientists gathered more data and refined their calculations, those odds began to shrink. Here's how it works. The more observations NASA collects, such as its speed, size, and exact orbital path, the better they can predict its future movements. With follow-up studies conducted from powerful observatories around the globe, NASA was able to compress the window of uncertainty. That effort brought us to today's much-relieved figures, a 1 in 67 chance of impact. Not zero, but a far cry from imminent doom. Even better news. YR4's closest approach is still expected to miss by hundreds of thousands of miles, which in cosmic terms is a narrow graze. But for us Earthlings, it's plenty comfortable. Now that doesn't mean NASA's shoving YR4 into the no-worries file just yet. They'll keep monitoring its orbit in the months ahead, fine-tuning those figures and ensuring it won't stray closer. And should circumstances suddenly change, NASA's planetary defense strategies, yes, we're talking potential asteroid deflection missions, are on standby. For now, we can rest assured that this cosmic visitor will merely pass us by, leaving Earthlings to look up at the stars with awe and wonder, not fear. The story of 2024 YR4 isn't just one of dodging disaster, it's a testament to human ingenuity. Our ability to predict, track, and potentially even stop cosmic threats has come a long way in just a few short decades. And while a 1 in 67 chance may still make you glance warily at the sky, it's a reminder that science and teamwork have given us incredible tools to protect this pale blue dot we call home. So the next time you hear the phrase city killer asteroid, remember, NASA's got it covered. For now, we can all breathe a relieved sigh and look up at the stars, not with fear, but with awe.